Hey y'all, so I wanted to come back on and give y'all like a better rundown of what's on the science section of the exam based on the exam that I took. Ooh, don't mind my nails. My nails is jacked up. But yeah, so I know that the science section for a lot of people is the scariest, especially if you haven't taken like a science course or a chemistry course recently. And you never know what's on the exam itself, because science is so broad, right? It's a lot to cover. But like I said, based on the exam that I took, there are several versions, so know that there's several versions and you never know which one you're gonna get. So if you just try and cover as much as you can, you should be good. But according to the test that I took, I just want to urge you all to make sure that you study the cells of the body. Know the different parts of the cell, right? Know the different organs and their functions, right? Know what is a prokaryotic cell and what's a eukaryotic cell. One is a plant cell, one is human. The human body has 11 organ systems, right? So make sure you study the organ systems and study their functions. The organization, right, which is like, how our body is made with atoms, cells, tissues, organs, and all of those combined is what makes up an organ system, right? Study how myosin and actin plays a part in the contraction of muscles. Study like red blood cells, white blood cells, erythrocytes, platelets, all of that. Study protein synthesis, what part of the cell is responsible for the production of protein. Carbohydrates, monosaccharides, disaccharides, all of those things. Study those. For chemistry, make sure you brush up on the periodic table, and as I said in my previous video, study the pH system. What else? Different types of matter, which we know is solid, gas, and 3 types of solid, gas, and what's the third one? Liquid. Know what sublimation is, evaporation, all of those things. The different types of immunity, make sure you know what those are, which is adaptive immunity, innate immunity, stuff like that. Back to chemistry, for the periodic table, make sure you know what a proton is, electrons, how they function in the body, know what the charges are. What else? Scientific reasoning, make sure you brush up on that. Know what an independent variable is, a control, know what a catalyst is and how it functions. Know the definition or for the term observation, hypothesis, data collection. Know the different types of graphs, right, and charts, which, line graph, pie chart, bar graph, flow chart, all of those things. When it comes to like the body, know like the different body planes, like the sagittal plane and ting, stuff like that. What else? What do I have here? The integumentary system. Make sure you study that extensively, okay? Metabolism, know catabolism and anabolism. Make sure you know what those are. What else? The different types of muscle. Make sure you know what a smooth muscle is, a striatic muscle, all those things. You want to study those extensively. So those are just a few things that I noticed was on my my nails is jacked. Yeah, so those are a few things I noticed on my exam. I can't go into like specifics. I'm just trying to guide y'all in the right direction. So if you study these topics, I'm pretty sure, if you're lucky enough to get the same test that I got, then you should be good if you study these topics. right? So like I said, I can't really go into specifics as to the question itself that was asked, but like I said, study these and you'll be good, right? For the math section, what was on there? I think I told you in my previous video, so just check back. You know, I just really like to help. I know, like, I researched extensively before, you know, I took the TEAS, when I was preparing to take it, I should say, and I came across a lot of useful information, like the one I'm sharing with you right now. So, like the ones I'm sharing with you right now. So I know how helpful these little nuggets can be. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Let me know, and I will be sure to do my best to answer your questions. So good luck, y'all. Good luck. Y'all got this.